Do you want to know how you can place a bet on Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can place a bet on Melbet. So go ahead and open Melbet and log into your account. Make sure that you have loaded your money on Melbet, and then you can see I want to place a bet on this. So I can directly click on these over here, and if I want to see more details I can go to this detailed version. If you scroll down you can see there are bettings of all types, so you can see that you can choose the betting and you can see the odds over here. You can also select the odds and select baseline odds. You can see that you can also place multiple bets, so you can see that the bets are over here. So you can choose multiple bets and you can also increase the stake amount, and you can see the maximum stake over here. So you will earn a potential of these earnings, and it will differ between time and between the matches. And go ahead and click on place a bet. This way you can easily place a bet, but you must notice that you have no balance right now, so you must go ahead and load your money. Only after that you can place a bet. So guys, this is how you place a bet on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.